We're here at the storage shed. We're gonna get the wood burning stove. Let's see.
Doesn't look like it. Floor model. Cast iron.
So you can measure that, the diameter of that.
Yeah, I can put everything in this. Take this stuff off, I'll have to burn it.
Garden spider's gone.
You wanna help me?
You want to back it up?
Smart.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. So, according to the manual, this says to cure the paint, proper curing is a series of 3 initial burns. The appliance should be allowed to cool off between each burn. First 2 burns should be small fires and low temperatures for a duration of 20 minutes each. The third fire should be at a temperature of 500 degrees for 20 minutes. Provide adequate cross ventilation to clear any smoke or odor caused by initial fringe.
Looks like wood inside.
We need to burn the first fire in the cast iron stove outside, so that whatever is on the cast iron, it's not gonna burn off in the house and leave a really gross smell. So we're gonna burn the first fire out here, and then that way it can get good and hot and we can get it ready to go to inside. While we lay the floor, we're gonna let it burn. Joe has prepared some wood.
Small faggot right here. Of wood.
He's off collecting more wood. Here he comes. See, that wasn't hard at all. Maybe.
Something I found. I'm not so sure.
So Joe's gonna start the fire.
Alright, I'm gonna build some sort of, I need a
While he's doing that, we'll go grab some cardboard. I had a bag of cardboard, of like trash cardboard I was collecting, so we could have that to start.
There you go, some cardboard. I had some in there too.
It's in that bag.
Coming out the chimney. The rest of this one.
Put some bricks down. Joe's getting it nice and full. There we go. You might.
You gotta suffocate.
Yeah. Where is the?
Hey.
Yeah. What's that down there? Remember the thing that you pull out? Is that? But there was some kind of a vent on the. Because you should be able to close that. Let me go get the manual. That is gonna get our stove going.
It's exciting.
Very exciting.
Put this right here.
We're gonna let it burn while we get the floor going. Super cool.